Before you start, turn off the 24-volt power at your furnace's switch. The screen of your thermostat will either go blank or, if battery-powered, must be tested with a multimeter to make sure the power is off. Remove the thermostat head and base from the wall. Take a quick photo or add small labels so you'll know which wire went where. That way you won't mix them up later. Loosen each terminal screw and gently pull out the wires. Make sure that your wires aren't at risk of falling back inside the wall. You can bend the wires to prevent this. You'll typically find 5 thermostat wires: R, Y, G, W, and C. Red is for 24-volt power. Yellow calls for cooling. Green for the fan. White for heat. And blue is for the common power return. Since colors can vary, always match by the letters on your old base. On single transformer systems, you only have one 24-volt feed, so R and RC must be bridged. Most smart thermostats do this internally, but if your base has a visible jumper between R and RC, leave it in place. Then insert and tighten R to R or RC, Y to Y, G to G, W to W, and C to C. If you're just replacing an existing thermostat with a new one, go ahead and power up the system, making sure all functions still work as they did before. If this is a new thermostat on a new system, go to your furnace's control board. Connect those same wires, R, Y, G, W, C, under the matching terminals. Make sure each screw is snug so connection stays solid. Finally, run a 2-conductor pair from the thermostat cable out to your outdoor contactor. Connect the wire on Y at the thermostat directly to the Y terminal on the contactor coil. Connect the wire on C at the thermostat directly to the C terminal on the contactor coil. With the power restored, set your thermostat to cool. You should hear the outside unit click on. Then switch to heat and confirm that your furnace fires up. If both respond, you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY HVAC tips.